Hi guys, Travis, Fly Fishing Texan here. Alright guys, so today we have something really cool. So as you guys can see, I'm like in a neighborhood type setting here. That's because my buddy Josh, he got a boat. Yeah, that's right, he got a boat. Alright guys, so alright, and there he is, Captain Josh. All right, so we're gonna get out on Lake Travis today. I know it's weird. My name's Travis. Get on Lake Travis. Yes, I'm named after Travis County here in Texas. So we're gonna get out there. We're gonna do some fly fishing off this thing. Gonna do some spin reel fishing off this thing. It's gonna be awesome. We'll see you guys on the water. Maiden voyage. All right, permission to come aboard, Captain.
Permission granted.
All right, here we go, guys. Out here with Josh on a yet to be named boat. All right, guys, so my first time out on a boat in like a long time, besides like a party boat or whatever, where it's like a big group. But as far as being on a personal boat and fishing like this, it's actually my first time out. As much as I've been on the water all my life, the first time I've actually been fishing out. I've done some tubing and stuff like that. First time I've been fishing out on a boat. So we made some modifications to Josh's boat here, like we added a deck up front. We're gonna make some removable decks in the back as well, things like that, because this is gonna be part fishing boat, part his recreation boat. So anyway, all right guys, I'm excited, I'm stoked. This is awesome. We're gonna get out here.
Woohoo!
Yeah, get out here.
Woohoo!
Yeah, we're both excited. We're gonna get out here. We're gonna have a good time. Let's see if we can go catch some fish. Hey guys, I tell you what, I am so excited. We've been on the kayaks for so long and just bank fishing and things like that. Of course, you know, I get in the rivers and fly fish and all that, but this is a whole different experience. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Line caught and boat heading toward dock. We picked a random spot and decided we'd give it a try, but not really any luck there. Right, first time out, we're having some stormy conditions, nothing too crazy. It's a lot of rain, it's pretty choppy, the wind's really picking up. We're gonna try to make it to a marina up here, just to kind of chill out while the storm passes. Guys, so we're back, and we're gonna go ahead and try to fish some of these docks areas over here. It's raining, but we're gonna have a good time anyway. We're gonna do this. And this is exactly why I do not use a bait caster very often. We finally started catching some fish after the rain let up a little bit, and from this point for the next couple of minutes I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the fish catching, and also gonna share some fish misses with you guys as well. A few of those to go along with all the catches.
Yeah, baby. That ain't that good. No! 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 It was a good 2-pounder, dude! I just lost it, guys. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, Josh!
go. Drop shot on that roboworm. Nice. Nice. Are you serious? Josh had let me drive for a little bit, and we're actually moving back up the lake when he was trolling this special lure that he had and hooked up on something massive, but lost it once we slowed down and tried to get it in. Okay, all right, I got you. Oh, no, man. Josh. Dude, I think I got that partially on film. Sorry, Josh. Couldn't help you with the net. Dang, yeah. There we go. Get up here. What Josh is using. There you go. Yeah. Woo. Oh, that huge crank. Josh. Dude, what do you got on that crankbait, man? Some magic something on there? No. Oh no! 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 I just lost another one. I saw it. I saw that one. Oh yeah. You need help? Got it.
That's a good fish.
That's
there,
a good
baby.
fish, baby. A
That
little
was
sore on his mouth.
tough.
A little sore on his mouth, but. Woo! Yeah! We found him, Josh! We found him! It's turning on, folks. This is turning on. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I got it. Absolutely. I might get you to net him just so I don't lose him. Yeah, baby. I got it, Josh. Yeah. Woo. I swear, folks, we're not catching the same fish. I swear. Oh, yeah. Woohoo. On the big blue?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Fish on for sure. We're getting used to the trolley motor, folks.
Oh, crap. I need something to get this off.
All right, I'm gonna grab him. All right, Josh got him hooked good. We're gonna grab him something. Woo! There it is. That's a beautiful little fish. Nice release. Boom! Back in the wild, buddy. All right, guys. So that was the first fish actually back after lunch. Out here.
Woohoo!
Yeah. So we're back out here at it. Throwing just basically crankbaits is what's doing it right now. So we're just gonna keep chunking them. We'll see how it goes. Gotta do this again because I wasn't recording right there. So anyways, guys, we had a great time on Lake Travis today. It was awesome. Josh did a lot better than I did. Obviously,
Did you put the chains on?
you guys saw that in the video. Chains on what? The trailer?
Chains on the trailer.
It's all connected still.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't disconnect it. He's so used to the kayak trailer.
I'm so used to the kayak trailer and having to disconnect everything and park my trailer somewhere else.
All right, Josh. So real quick, just how was the boat?
Boat was great. It was definitely what I expected it to be, and no complaints for me. That's what I'm going to say.
Awesome.
No complaints.
Hey, I had a great time too, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll definitely be back out with this guy, Captain Josh. Thanks so much. Hey, guys, God bless and go fly fishing.
FTT.
And there he is. He's coming out. All right. I was not recording that whole time. Back around.
What is going on? Smart turf.
Get out here.
Woohoo!
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.